In the next few minutes, you'll know buy or skip for your routine because color e-readers are either a game changer or a total waste. Micro verdict: if you read comics, cookbooks, illustrated nonfiction, or you rely on highlights, this is a strong buy. And if you only read plain novels, it's probably a skip. Here's the simple test. Think about your last 10 reads. Did color ever help you understand or enjoy what was on the page? If that answer is yes, keep listening. As a commuter reader, you want something that disappears in your hands and makes reading feel calm, even in bad lighting and crowded spaces. The Kobo Libra Colour is built around that idea, using a 7-inch glare-free Color e-ink Kaleido 3 display, so you get a paper-like look instead of a phone-like glow. The first problem is that a lot of content loses its value on a typical black and white e-reader. Covers, charts, diagrams, illustrations, and even your own highlight system can turn into one flat layer, which makes it harder to scan later and less enjoyable in the moment. The benefit is that you get a color e-ink screen designed for reading, plus a sharp page layout at a 1680 by 1264 resolution that keeps text looking clean and stable during long sessions. Dark mode also matters when you're reading early mornings or late nights on the train, because it can feel easier on your eyes in dim environments. The mini conclusion is that your reading becomes faster to understand and easier to return to, not just prettier. The second problem is commuter lighting and screen fatigue because your environment is constantly changing and you don't want to fight settings every time you sit down. The benefit is a glare-free e-ink experience that stays readable when light hits the screen, combined with a front-lit reading style that's built for comfort rather than brightness. When you add dark mode into that mix, it's a practical way to keep reading without feeling like you're staring into a mini flashlight. The mini conclusion is that you read longer and more consistently because the screen stops being the reason you quit early. The third problem is the everyday friction that breaks habits, like running out of storage, stressing about battery, or realizing a device can't handle real life. The benefit is a roomy 32 gigabytes of roomy storage, so you can carry a large library without constantly deleting, plus battery life described as lasting up to about 4 weeks depending on your use, which fits a commuter rhythm where you just want it ready. It also supports audiobooks, which is huge when your commute switches from sitting to walking, and it includes wireless connectivity like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to keep things convenient. And since it's described as waterproof, it's built for the kind of accidental moments that happen in real life, like rain, spills, or reading near water without panic. The mini conclusion is that it feels like a dependable daily tool, not a fragile gadget you babysit. Now, who is it really for? It's perfect for a commuter reader who mixes formats, especially anyone who reads color-rich content, likes a more organized reading system, or wants the option to switch between reading and listening. It's also great if you want an e-reader that stays comfortable in changing light without dragging you into notifications and distractions. Two practical downsides to keep this honest. First, Color e-ink is designed for readability, not tablet-style punchy color, so it won't look like a bright LCD or OLED screen, and that's a trade-off for comfort. Second, 7 inches is a sweet spot for books and comics, but it can feel tight for dense, full-page PDFs or large charts where you want more space. Maybe you're thinking you can just use a tablet for color and call it a day. A tablet can look more vivid, but it also tends to bring glare, eye fatigue, and distraction, which is exactly what makes commuters stop reading. Maybe you're thinking a basic black and white e-reader is enough. If your reading is mostly plain text and you never benefit from color, you'll get most of the core comfort for less, and that's a smart choice. Buy it if color actually improves what you read and you want a commuter-friendly e-reader with dark mode, audiobook support, waterproof protection, generous storage, and battery life that's built for weeks, not hours. Skip it if you're strictly a plain text reader or you mostly live in big PDFs where the screen size will feel limiting. Comment what you read most on the go, like novels, comics, magazines, or PDFs, and I'll tell you whether color will actually change your day. If you want more calm, practical buy or skip breakdowns that respect your time and your money, subscribe. And if you choose this one, your next commute might finally